Alright, now I'm live. What's up, everybody? Whoever's watching, tapping in. Let's show you what's going on. So, right now, I just entered some shorts. I didn't get this on live at the moment, but now we're live. Took me a while to get set up. Whoa. And, shorting some Bitcoin. Now, recently, made a bad trade and went pretty hard in a trade and tried buying long on a dip. Awesome. Done for the day, probably 8,600. Let me close them bitches. Damn. 1 second, let me go feed some cats. Yes, sir. Alrighty. Probably should have closed out the trades, but I think I might get some better entries. Beautiful day. One person watching, 2 people watching. Hello. Have you heard of that Bitcoin executive order? No, actually, I have not. Tell me about it. Tell me about the executive order. I probably should have closed out when I had a chance. So, a recap of what happened. I was up a good bit. And when it was dumping right here, I bought in this area right around here. And it kept dumping, and I finally sold around here. Now, I should have went long right here. No, it was right here. Sorry, this is a 30-minute. I was buying right here and it kept dumping. Now, I should have went long right here because that was a beautiful, beautiful entry. Absolutely beautiful. Now, this actually looks pretty bullish. I really hope it doesn't keep pushing up, or I'm toast. Currently up 600 on the total account. The account is safe. That's good. I should have shorted a shitload up here, but instead I didn't, which sucks. So, but tell me about the Bitcoin executive order. Let's see what he's at. This is loading. Check this out. So those are my short entries up here. Up 700. All right. So this guy's up 15,000. Biden is expected to sign executive order. It seems to be a response for how Russia could take advantage a Bitcoin to evade the sanctions. That's interesting. So I'm gonna set up a Fibonacci retracement right up over here. It'll be signed this week. So that could probably bring Bitcoin down, actually. I would expect, right? Let's set this up. Boom. So the 236 actually was my target I wanted to hit. And it pretty much hit that target at 30,600. Now this is also another thing I'm looking at. I think it's right here. Not right here. Patterns. Head and shoulders. So if we look at this pattern, we can see this is a clear head and shoulders pattern. And then it'll come back down here. So I have some pretty good short entries. So I'm expecting a couple waves down. Now this is a small time frame. Go back. 1 second. Alright, hey, what's up, everybody? My thing just, or hello, what's up, one person. My dad had called me. I was just talking to him a little bit. Yeah, I turned my audio off. I hit this button, watch. Sorry, it's pretty dark. So this is my thing. It just turns off. It's pretty neat. Alright, now it looks like it's bouncing back up a little. Not really though. But yeah, so I shorted at the 1.13 fib. If we check this out, I just set up some price targets on the 4 hour. So we could definitely see a point to the 236 Fibonacci, which is $3,700. Now another price area is the, they set this up better, is the 618. Or wait, this is set up right. Well, I mean it is. I just need to see which one is which. Okay, so actually the 236 is all the way down here. We're right here. Which one am I looking at? I thought I had set one up from the bottom of this point. Here, 1 second. I'm gonna just delete this. I don't really care. Alright, so we're gonna set up another Fibonacci line. Set it up from here to here. So this is the 236 fib, which is priced around 37.4. The 618, 37.68. So really just a major price target to look at is these few points. Make this a little nicer. I'm looking at these price targets. 38.250. Check this out. I mean, I'm still up 680, 690 right now. Expecting a drop to around this range. It's actually just a little rectangle over it. So right here. Around here. And then around here. So these are some areas, and that's part of that's actually the 236 right there. So that'd be pretty nice. Now this is a 4 hour, but I'm about to switch over to a smaller time frame. So we came up to the 1.3 fib, I guess. Let's see if there's anyone on Discord talking about anything. Just ask my buddy what he thinks. Let's check the 2 hour. So the 2 hour looks like we're probably about to have another little bit of a trough coming. Within 40 minutes, we could probably see that. Or this could be a peak. I'm not sure until it happens. I haven't really set up too many of these yet. There's a chance I might or might not. 1 second. I'll get this chart set up for live stream. Get that down. So this is the 1 hour. Let's actually put the super trend up a little bit. PD sequential. Let's see what how many candle. So this is the 6th candle that's been green. So usually sequential price moves up in 1 candle to 3 candles to 6 candles or 9. So 3, 6, 9 are very key numbers of usually what happens. So the 6th candle is a chance like the next candle is going to be a downtrend, and then we're going to have downtrend candles. So we can check the 45 minute. Let's check super trend just due to the, so that's 8. So actually you could have one more candle on the 45 minute. I don't have the super trend set. Put this away. And this is the RSI. So we had a bullish divergence right here. And we had a dip. We had a bullish divergence here and it dipped. We're probably about to have a bullish divergence right here. Actually, I want to see what the cycles show on this thing. That's pretty interesting. Yeah, so damn, I actually like the cycles on that. That's pretty nice. I don't even have my EMA on. Alright, that's pretty much all I care about is the EMA. So we're looking at this. We had 3 candles up. Probably about to have a little bit of a downtrend. Downside. It's having a little bit of a bounce. Probably should close some of my trades. But I'm okay. I was at 1,000 here, 1,000 here. Let's just see what happens. On a 5-minute. I don't see any signals on the super trend. Alright, so this is a key point on the super trend. 38.34, which would be pretty nice to get out at. Looks like it's bouncing right now. Go check this out. And you can see like all that profit gets taken within a few red candles. Look at this. This was like an ascending triangle. Chart this out. Control C. Yeah, look at that. I'm absolutely dumping. I wish more people watch this live stream. Any suggestions of what I should do better? Let's do this. RSI way. Yeah, I don't really look at that shit. Like, how do I become a professional live streamer? So we can see some nasty dips that would just happen. 3 candles down, 3 red candles. That's a sequential. Now, if you look at this, you could kind of tell they're evenly spaced, which is like cyclical timed. Like, I've only just started using these cyclical periods, and they work pretty nice. I like them a lot. Now, this probably looks messy as hell. I probably should just, I don't want to delete everything, but let's check this out. Let's get, so this is the overall trend. This is the 4-hour. So we actually hit a support level over here on the 4-hour. We're still on a little bit of a downtrend. Yeah. You look like we could just start bleeding. And these are some targets I'm looking at. Right here would be fat. Fat and juicy. That's what I really want. That's what I need. Yeah, I definitely think I have too many indicators. Like, sometimes it hurts my, not really hurts my eyes, but this TDM sequential, like I usually put too much shit up on the chart to track a lot of shit. The TDM sequential I don't care too much about, but it shows some good levels like here. You could expect to see that. EMA. Yeah, honestly, this is all we need. I put too much. I honestly do. Honestly, put a lot on the chart. So we have this. We're in some decent profit. We're up 1% on the count. Let's see what this trend's about. Nice. So from this point to this point, but in the middle of that point, and hit these, come around here, but we go off on here. We can see we touched up here, and we sniped that top. So this kind of does look, I mean, it looks really bullish, but where it did, and it's going to turn bearish. I gotta try and snipe the tops. So if we look at this from this point, yeah, it's really hard opening, like leaving crypto overnight. Definitely don't like leaving crypto overnight. Like, so probably when we come back down to these levels, it wouldn't be bad to go long and hold overnight in crypto. Like around these levels, wouldn't be too bad of a buy, because then we could have another run up like that. Yeah, you really don't want to miss that dip. But the way this looks, I think it can maybe do something like this. You see how it jumps up, shoots down, jumps up, shoots down. I want to say it's going to shoot back up though, but at the same time, it just seems super bearish. Really don't know what to think about my trade right now. But I think it could reject and go here, so what am I looking at? I wanna let's check out the daily again. Because we could see like how it just would go up and down and go up again probably. That's based off that pretty much. It came and touched the top over here. Came back down, touched the 236 fib. And usually it bounces right back, but I'm hoping for the bigger drop. So if we set up something like this, looks like that, or something like this, looks kind of like that. So you can see the daily had a buy signal over here, but it completely failed. Our candle pushes up one more. Yeah, when I'm at like 900, I probably should take. But then every time I do, like, what support is he talking about? This support, or a lot of supports? Yeah, the RSI is pretty high. Looks like we could break down. Let's see from this point of view. where that 236 is at. And that's where I want it. So this is the 1.13 fib. Didn't touch that. On this looks like we're having a downtrend right now. We're probably gonna bleed out pretty fast, like come to these levels. I want to say this zone, but also this zone, so something like that. It'd be that bad to take profit. Yeah, instead of these being 0.212, I probably should have bought like 0.25s again. Really, I should be playing just one lot. All these one lots. What's all this say? Total buys, total sells. I have 18 trades open right now, but only 3.8 lots. Gotta drink Aquafina. Let this load up for a bit. Yeah, this would have been nice if it was more lots. That was a price movement of like 8, 9, or yeah, here we go. The 30-minute just opened. I think the 1 hour just opened. Nope, the 1 hour has 30 more minutes, but the 30-minute hour that just opened looks pretty bearish. Fuck. Why is this chart so shitty? Like, this shit's so slow. Oh, here we go. Oh, that shit's dropping. So currently, we still are in profit about 720. Expecting it to come down around this range. I think it could probably touch back to 3700s, go up and come right back down. Looking like something like that's gonna happen. And I'm expecting a 4-legged pullback, so I'm gonna pull that up for you guys. But I need to set up this fib level better because I don't like this fib level. So if we don't push up back around there, we should do just fine. So I'm gonna set up the fib level from probably this peak to this bottom. Yeah, that's a 1.272. Let's just delete this one if I can. There we go. So these are some price targets I'm looking for. I'll put these over here so it's out of the way in the chart. Looking at that 0.236, we're looking at the 0.5, and we're also Looking for a break on the 0.886, but also we could push up to the 1.618, which that's really the best short. But it looks like we're failing to break this. This is what I'm expecting. A four-legged pullback around like this. Maybe it's gonna look something like this. Let me just dump. I'm gonna pull this away. So we can see I think we're in a distribution phase. So let me pull this up. Y cough. Y. It's spelled Y cough. Distribution pattern. Kind of in a distribution area, I believe, before it starts to dump. At the same time, this doesn't exactly look like this is a normal B wave. This B wave has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Usually a B wave has A, B, like A, B, C, and then it dumps. I don't want to take my profits too soon, so kind of looks like we're in a distribution stage. You see how it has like 5 waves there. But we will see what happens. Get back to the chart. We can put the super trend on. Super trend isn't too bad. I just like it. I like this one really better because we can see certain zones that goes up to touch, like these support areas and these resistant areas. I hit the highlighter, so I want to get rid of that highlighter. Style. Downtrend, buys, oh. I like the TDM sequential because it shows these areas. So we could look at 38,000 again as a possible drop back to its zone. So I'm kind of looking at this overall market as it came up, touched the 1.3 fib. Well, this one's a 272, but a little bit higher, so 1.3, and come right back down. We're currently 37.7 May range and bounce. I'm out for now. Took melatonin and I deserve bed after that. Yeah, so my buddy he pulled some shorts at the top where I pulled it, and he already pulled out. Made 15 G's on his trade, but he went in a lot deeper. I only went in 30% of the account. I had the account up to $140,400, so I was up 44% of the target I'm supposed to hit, and I kind of failed that. All because I tried buying around here and it kept dipping, even though my analysis had showed like we were gonna hit these areas, and I went against my analysis, which, yeah, once you make the analysis, just stick with it. So unless the trend changes, now we're definitely in like a bearish area, so I definitely expect us to continue a downtrend. But at the same time, the way this up down has happened, he does FTMO as well, or as his own person? Yeah, he does FTMO. He's actually going through a challenge right now, and so there's another guy. There's Matt. So this guy Tommy 2 channels, he actually had passed two 200K accounts, and he pulled like a couple $100,000 after a few months and built his like own personal account, so FTMO can be really nice and help you. So I think we're gonna break this time. This looks like the third time to break. So if we're looking at this trend, this chart actually, we're at the top of that range area, but we didn't fully get to that top. And this is kind of like a head and shoulder, head, and this is going to be the shoulder. Whether how long it lasts, let's see how long this shoulder lasted. About 2 days. So it's been 3 days, but how should I gauge this? From that to that, I should probably gauge it from here. So 3 days, 12 hours. Wow, it's been 3 days and 12 hours exactly right now. Equal on the head and shoulders. So I'm looking at this as the left shoulder, the head, and this be the right shoulder. And this one, from where we're at right now, has been 3 days, 4 hours or so. 12 hours. And over here, it's pretty much equal. I don't know what the keys are, but we could check this out. It's been about like that. So if we put a cyclical cycle on this, it could have another bounce. I'm guessing it's going to probably show that. But we have a trough actually coming in a few days. I put that right there. 38588. Yeah, it sucks. I don't get too many people to watch my chat. Like I get like maybe 10 people who actually click it, or maybe 5. I get the person who comes back on and off. So this actually looks like a descending triangle. I'll go chart this out right here and right here. Kind of like some form of a triangle actually right now. A lower time frame. I got 3 people watching. Only 9 people to play back. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Look at this fucking dumping. Yeah, I sniped right on that divergence. We can look at this. I want to set up a trend line. So that one failed. Broke trend there. This one, I think it's still being trend. So I want to set this up. Maybe for that wick to wick. Set this up wick to wick over here. So I could really see that zone. That zone be important. So we just broke that. No, we did not. Over here it looks like it, but I'm on the 5-minute right here. Definitely looking a little interesting. What do you gotta say? Oh, is that a drop? There we at. Here we go for the 100th time. Hand grenade pins at every alarm. Throw up and let something shine. I'm at $1,000 profit. I should take it, but we just broke the triangle. And I really, every single time, I take my profit. Yeah, I used to. So the way I got like 160 subs within like a month, less than a month. And the way I did that was I kept posting like 3 to 5 minute videos on AMC and DWAC. I would post my stock uploads, and also post YouTube shorts on Bitcoin. So I should go make a short right now for Bitcoin, because my Bitcoin shorts, like the short YouTube videos, would get me a lot of subscribers. I'd be getting like a couple thousand views on them. But honestly, last 4 days I've been lazy. I'm gonna make a short right now. Oh, I got the perfect one. Usually the way I make my shorts are fucking lit, so I'm gonna make it short. So head and shoulders. Yeah, this is turning out nice. I really should have shorted a lot more. I'd be at $2,000 profit if I shorted 6 lots. Fuck, man. I'd be back where I was yesterday. This was a perfect short. I should go all in on these shorts. So this is how I do my videos. This thing's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna lose one watcher because I'm the only person watching. Alright, my channel. Alright, videos. My last shorts video got 1.2k views, which was pretty nice. I just heard some noise, like some boings. I don't know what that was about. I just heard another boing. Please tell me it's not closed. Okay, it's not closed. I'll enter another 1.12 short. So this is how I do my videos. I'm gonna do some cool stuff right here. I turn my brightness up. Dong, 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 dong. I gotta get a pointer. What should my pointer be? Nah, that's pretty ugly. Ah. Oh no, ah. Ah. Alright, I'm back. Back in action. Bad. Alright, and I take this off. Delete all that. Man, I need to find a pattern. Where's the patterns at? Yeah, this could make the shoulder right now, actually. Damn. Fuck. Damn, yeah, this could be the shoulder. Like, it could make the shoulder and show something like this. But this could be just a weak ass shoulder and it just falls from here. I mean, I guess I shorted at the top of the shoulder. This is a better top. A better top right there. Oh yeah, I gotta get the price note. 35.8. Yeah, I need to post those videos more. That's kind of like what my video looks like. Stuff like that gets me like 1,000. Stuff like that gets me like 1,000 views and maybe like 5 subscribers. And I just do a hashtag Bitcoin, hashtag crypto, follow for more. I haven't posted one in a while, which sucks. Because I was posting like a couple a day, getting like 10 subscribers a day. Like, yeah, I want to show you this, my analytics. My channel. See, I've just been posting this shit. 5 days ago was my last video, damn. These are some of my shorts. 7K views on that, 1.2K. I had one that got like 6K views, but besides that, let's go check this out. I mean, people came here for the Bitcoin, but I'll show you my analytics. Yeah, it looks like it could fall off its face right around here. But honestly, I don't know. 100 hours of watch time. So my shit's probably dropped so far. Yeah, look at this shit. This was when I was consistently posting. Dude, I would probably be way up here right now. I fucked up. But look at this. This even has Elliott waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 1 or something, and then bam. And then A, B, C came back to 1. Yeah, I've been getting like no views. That's because I stopped posting like 10 days ago. That was 9 videos, 2 videos, 9, 4. Like I was consistently posting multiple videos a day. And dude, it was like my shit was popping off, and I was gaining subscribers really well. Like my subscriber count was like a couple a day, and then now it's just been like I got -1. That sucks. Yeah, I need to short more, short more, short more. I don't even care anymore. I'm in profit on the top. These are small shorts too. I don't know what just happened in my chart. Here, let me go on my comments. Yeah, good night, man. Damn, 10 lots would have brought me like 4K. One watching. Yeah. Oh well. Everybody have a good night. Hopefully you guys do just fine.